guys, it's Key and I'm back with another video. Before we even get into this, I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support, and check out my website keyslocs.com for all your natural hair needs, including your lock gel, your kinky hair, all that. So this is just a video on how I wash my locks. And so you want to just fully saturate your hair with water first. Rinse it thoroughly so that you can remove any sweat, any previous product that's in your hair from the last retwist. And then go straight in with your shampoo of your choice. I like to use anything that's good for like natural hair. And honestly, never go for the cheapest product you see. Don't buy a $1 shampoo and expect to have healthy locks, okay? My shampoo is like $25 a bottle and it's not that big. And so I'm just going in on my roots with the shampoo, and I'm making sure I get enough in there to where it's sudsy, and then just wash your hair. I'm scrubbing it, but I'm using my fingertips, not my nails, because you don't want to scratch your scalp. You just want to massage it in order to get any dirt or dead skin cells or whatever off your scalp. But you really want to be delicate with your scalp. You don't want to just go in and scrub it as hard as you can. I do not do that to my head. And then I also do have a sensitive scalp, which I said in one of my previous videos. All right, and then I like to just run my head under the shower, let the water get through my hair. And y'all see that red? That's for me coloring my locks. I use the rinse, so every shampoo, some of the color comes out. But yeah, while I'm rinsing my hair, I do like to agitate my scalp like you see me doing here. The same way you do when you wash it, I do that while I'm rinsing it too, just to help get everything out. And I just do this until I feel like there's no more soap in my hair. And honestly, even after you feel like there's no more hair, you should keep rinsing it just a little bit longer, because locks do hold soap and hold product, especially mine, because my hair is super thick. All right, y'all. So after I'm done rinsing my hair thoroughly, I do go in with my favorite conditioner, which is, I can't remember right now. It might be by Tresemme, but Tresemme conditioner is kind of cheap, but it is really, really silky smooth, and it just works well on my hair. So that's what I use, and that's actually what I use on my clients as well. So I go ahead and go in with conditioner on my roots, and then I do kind of pull it through my locks a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my hair in a bun and let it sit while I wash my body, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. And that is how I wash my locks, you guys. Y'all please like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And make sure y'all check out my website at keyslocs.com for all of your natural hair needs. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at keyswork, really on all social media. And yeah, see y'all in the next video.